In today's video we're making some Maultaschen. America knows them under German ravioli. We know them under Maultaschen, or if you translate it word by word, mouth bags. Quick tip. Do you know why I wanted to make such a video about Maultaschen? Pretty simple, because I love Maultaschen. Why is that? Wow, you didn't ask, but I will tell you anyway. I grew up with my family in Baden, which means of Baden-Württemberg, which is a little state in Germany in the south. Usually it's, you know, it's this different region which we Badener don't like, this Swedish direction. Anyway, they make really good Maultaschen. So when you translate it, Maultaschen, those are mouth bags. Here in America, everyone knows them under German ravioli. Do you know what always goes when you have a break? Toby's house latte. Here's a link. To get the pasta in form, we'll use a pasta maker. Pretty simple machine, as you can see here. Cut the dough in like 4 to 6 pieces, so it's easier to just get them through like this. You can see you should have used flour at the beginning. That's why I'm using it now. What you want to do is definitely put enough flour in it, and then you want to run it with the thickest possible adjustment first before you do this 1 or 2 times, and then you change it. We used 4 out of 7 as a setting, and 4 is our preferred setting for the Maultaschen thickness. With the pasta maker we can get the dough around 15 to 18 centimeter wide. And we want to cut the dough now in 10 to 12 centimeter wide pieces. After cutting the pasta in pieces, now we use about 2 tablespoons of stuffing and put it in the middle. It depends on the size of your pasta you cut out. So just put it in the middle, and then you should have enough on top and on the bottom before you fold it. And then we used smashed egg to just glue it better together. And with a fork, then we pressed it basically on the side, and that's it. And here you can see fast forward, just we're doing a couple more of the Maultaschen. We're putting stuffing in, then we fold it, and then putting it aside before we put it into the water to boil it. Quick tip, bing! Don't eat a Maultaschen right away, because the Beyond Meat needs to cook longer. This is just a little pre-cooking. Just fry them in a pan with some delicious potato salad like... Oh, there's nothing coming up because I did not make a video yet. I will make one, so subscribe if you want to see how to make a German potato salad. Here, fast forward, you can see how we make more Maultaschen. Just using the dough and putting the stuffing in and then folding it. So keep watching, look at it, and learn if you want to. If not, just skip this part and fast forward to the next section. Quick tip, when you're done with the first boiling, you can just put them in a Ziploc bag and divide them with little baking sheets. and then just put it in your freezer, and you're able to just take them one at a time out of the freezer whenever you want to. When you're wondering about those small hands in the picture and the tattoo, those are not my hands. This is usually a family project, which means my wife and I were doing it together. Sorry, that was wrong. My wife and I cooked together the Maultaschen. That's correct. You find all the components, what I used, also in the description below as affiliate links, also the recipe for the Maultaschen for the dough, but also the filling. And obviously there are so many different recipes out there, so whatever you want to do, you can also look up for Maultaschen recipes somewhere else and then just use it differently with meat, or even completely vegan if you don't want to use the egg. We figured out that with the egg it at least sticks better together and it's not falling apart when you boil it. You can also do half of it and then you have just 12 to 13 Maultaschen, up to you, whatever you prefer. Thanks for watching again. Cheers! Mouth bags, mouth bags. Delicious Maultaschen. Delicious.